Okay, I have my uh, Excel or spreadsheet here, and I have some data over here, right, just numerical data. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is basically I want to use a function called delta. Okay, so of course I will type the delta. Okay, so you can see the delta function here to test whether two numbers are equal or not. Okay, so if I put a bracket here, all right, you will see it will test these two numbers itself. Okay, so the first number will take from, all right, this data 1, comma, the second number will actually take from data 2, and I will close it. Okay, and just give me a moment to, okay, all right. So you will see now these are zeros and these are 1. All right, why? Delta actually check whether they are same or not. So since the number is the same, right, it will actually produce a 1. Okay, see the numbers are the same, you produce a 1. If the numbers are different, then it will produce a 0. So again, numbers are different, it will actually produce a 0. Of course, why use delta in this case? Well, it's definitely a lot easier uh, than some other particular function when it comes to dealing with comparison of numbers.